Be hurting my back. I don't know, I need to learn how to do the straps correctly or something. Something ain't right. I just posted it on my
drivers, watch the lights.
Ooh, dang. Boy, they out here wrecking. I ain't twisted. I should have been on the backpack, you think? I like using my phone and my gimbal. Honestly. And I feel like, you know, they got all the reception, all the balls. It's probably just doing that most likely because I'm on 1080p.
And the computer.
Yeah, I like 1080p. That's all it is. But I could have got it in 720p and it would have been probably a little bit better. I don't know why I always make it harder for myself with that damn 1080.
Here. Hold on.
I just like 1080 over 720. I feel like I can see the difference on them two.
Ready.
From 4K to 1080 to 4K, I don't see that much, but 720 to 1080, I see it. Ooh, that sun coming out, y'all. It's getting hot. We got Thug Nasty off road in the left lane. I think this that dude that was fast at the right lane.
Alright, we still need instant green, guys. Alright, here we go. Watch the lights.
God dang. Oh, shit. 720 is where it's at, no lagging. Yeah. Yeah, I got two choices. Look better and buffer once or twice an hour, or no buffering, but don't look as good. Dang. It's hard to pick from there. I don't think it's no grudge racing.
Okay, guys, we're ready. Sorry about that last group. Time slip shut itself on. All right, instant green still. Oh no, you guys need something else.
All right, well, we on 1080p right now.
I need full tree, pro tree, full tree. One needs a pro and a pro. All right.
Oh, snap! I'm glad them hiccups left.
All right, full tree. Drivers, watch the lights. Nice.
Right lane for the win, y'all.
Behind this thing? Burn after behind this?
Yeah.
Instant green, guys. Copy that.
Yeah, I do be noticing that, man. I ain't gonna lie, I don't really like when I almost had 100 and then it's back to 80. Then I gotta work my way back up. I'm losing 20% of people every time I do that. And that 20% is a lot.
See, I'm trying to convince
Okay, I probably
Jim.
just start going 720
over there, just
on the
there,
phone.
all nice and pretty,
I
man.
say that 1080 for
we can cut the grass for
my
you.
backpack.
Just saying.
I don't even know why
Right,
that
here we
backpack
go.
tripped a
Drivers.
couple of days
Instant
ago.
green. Watch the lights.
Ooh, boy,
Nice
right lane.
pull.
He got, damn. Let me see who this is.
Somewhere.
Hey, where you from?
New York.
New
We're
York.
thinking about
Damn.
paving it, see.
New York.
Off-road extravagance.
Oh, he the one with that hole. I told y'all he fast. That's old boy with that hole in his pocket. He running.
4 minutes. Lanes are closing in 4 minutes, guys. Lanes closing in 4 minutes.
New kicks. I kind of agree. Minimum difference is 1080 to 1080p.
All right.
Yeah, you made me want to change in that,
Drivers, instant green.
Thundercock.
Watch the lights.
Left lane did his thing. He had a good leave, good takeoff and everything. Got a little squirrely on down through there. I don't know if that's gonna help him win. Who that just subbed up there? Oh, that Big Papa. I love it when you call me Big Papa. Throw your hands in the air. You're a true player. I love it when you call me Big Papa.
Drivers, watch the lights.
Oh, he's all in the other lane. The 11-year-old with the nice full pass. Are these electric cars? I have a Losi 8. Haven't run in a long time. Yeah, these are all electric. Jedi Taboo TV. What you be doing on there, man? On Jedi Taboo TV.
Hey, KP, can you
It sound like you be watching Star Wars all day, man. You be watching Star Wars? New Kicks. Is your name New Kicks? Because every time you got your paycheck, you went and bought some new kicks. And they were like, man, that fool there always got some new kicks on. Who else I got in here? I don't know how Team Thundercock got his name. Not Urban. He probably got his name for being... Oh. He probably got his name for being...
I'm gonna give him like a 10. I don't know. That's some serious doubt. KP, go ahead and stage up. Yeah, I need KP to go now.
Oh, okay. He said he haven't streamed in years. Used to play Arma 3 and Days. I don't know, neither one of them games. But they probably got something to do with Star Wars, though.
So guys, got a couple of instant greeners up here. Driver.
The word Jedi. Oh! Once you go over into the other lane, your cash lose.
All right, full tree.
Full tree, thank you. Nah, perfect. Perfect.
Pro tree over here.
Yeah, he's on pro tree.
No, he needs full tree. So who's going here? We got